use the vocabulary video to answer the questions below in complete sentences or with a recording. The first question is, how would you react if a pet snake got out of its cage? The second question is, what would you be astounded to see falling from the sky? The third question, which foods do you think are luscious? The fourth question is, what kind of culinary skills do you have? The fifth question, why might you take offense at something your friend did? The sixth question says, if you dropped your ice cream cone on the street, would you look crestfallen? Explain. The final question is, what recipe would you opt to make for a cook-off?